Hey, what's up, traders? This is Euro GBP. So let's look what's happening on the monthly. We are seeing for a couple months big consolidation and the rejection. So for the last 3 months, we have seen the bearish candles, and the current month candle, I mean the previous month, the December candle, looks very bearish when it took high of the previous 2 months and starting to dropping down. Right. So on the weekly, even though we have seen that there was this nice two institutional levels created, we are seeing the long-term consolidation, and nothing extra is actually happening. So if I would be thinking that I should go long as a bank, I would do it definitely from the taking these levels out first and then going long, right? Because you need to load new liquidity, new positions, and they will be here, right? So that's why I'm thinking the price will drop down into this level. Let's look at it on this picture on the daily. So what we are seeing here, as said, is consolidation. We had this beautiful sharp move up, and then the price dropped sharply down again. So it created institutional level, which was tested in here. And this move up, it created institutional level as well. So this level was uh, tested, so the orders are probably not in there now. And once they tested this one, so this one is in the control, so we most likely will see the drop into the 0885, something like that. So right now let's look how it looks on the, okay, before I will go to the entry, let's check the bank's positions and the sentiment. So we all know the euro is let me bring the euro. We all know the euro is very bullish, right? So we are seeing that the euro is bullish, quite big positions growing. However, what we can see here is a quite big short positions by the commercials, right? So it could be stopping the euro from the moving higher and might making a smaller correction, right? So we are seeing, yes, it's bullish, but for the last 3 weeks they've been doing some reducement. Here they took the 14k overall the contract, right, out. So maybe some potential correction on the euro, or the strength is not the trend is already overextended. So let's look to the pound, and the pound is quite different story, right? So we are seeing in these exposures that it's not that 50 to 46, it's not that bullish, but look, it's developing, it's new developing trend. We came from the 27 to the 37k, shorts are dropping, right? So it's the best scenario was happening, the shorts being decreasing, longs being increasing. That's very powerful when this setup is coming, right? If you look to the commercials, it's like 50-50, so they will not be stopping the price to move in the favor of the pound, right? So let's look right now what could happen, right? So as said, we will be looking for this target, right, to take these lows out. On the weekly and on the daily it looks perfect. So let's go to the 4 hours, and what we are seeing in here is that 68% retail traders are actually right now in the longs, right? So that's great because their average price is in here, so they are already entrapped. So market will probably not go to give them the chance get out, right? But if I said that we will see the probably this 885 level, which is around here, so it's giving us a nice opportunity. However, still here is one institutional level on the 4 hours. So what will have to happen is to take this level out, then the correction, and then I will be looking for the short with such target, right? Trying to make such a good risk reward, which will give me nice profit, right? So what I will be looking for is something like this. My stop loss will be above the average entry of the retail traders, and I will be looking for this, right? So it's nice 2 to 5, right? And if I go to the lower time frame, maybe I will find some better levels for the entry, right, to make it even probably like this or something like that. So then I could get something like risk reward if I go with here. So it's gonna be free, right? 1 to 3, it's a perfect risk reward. All right, my friends. Bye bye.